Hi guys, I'm Akhil from third year CSCB. I'm here to explain seminar on computer networks. Today my seminar topic is OSI layers. First of all, let us see what is meant by OSI layer. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection Model. It has been developed by International Standard Organization in the year 1984. Now the main thing in OSI layer is it has 7 layers. All these 7 works collaborative to transmit the data from one network to another network across the globe. Let us see diagrammatical representation of OSI layer. Here we are seeing the layers. The first layer is application layer. The sender From the sender the data is collected from application layer, then from application layer to presentation, and then presentation to session, and then from session to transport layer, and from transport to network, and network to data link, and data link layer to physical layer. This data is fetched from the sender and collected to the receiver in the same order from downward. Let us see the Let us see each definition of the layers. First, application. The layers. Here the layers are represented. First, application layer. Second, presentation layer. And third, session layer. Fourth, transport layer. Fifth, network layer. And sixth, data link layer. And seventh, physical layer. First of all, the application layer. The application layer is the topmost layer of the OSI layer. It is responsible for providing network services directly to end users or application. Uh, that is, the application layer is one of the top layer in the OSI. Here it is responsible for providing network to the end users directly or applications. The layer enables communication between different software applications by defining protocols and standards that use to exchange their data. In this layer, the communication between different software will be developed and established, and standard application can be exchange the data. Some common protocols and services associated with the application layer include HTTP, FTP, SMTP, exam, etc. These protocols allow web browsing, file transfer, email communication, and domain name resolution, among other things. As we before studied that it is used to use the exchange. By this HTTP, FTP, we can transfer the data. Next, presentation layer. The presentation layer is one of the 7 layers. That is, it is second layer. It is primary function to ensure that data exchanging between different systems and can be interpreted correctly. This layer handles data translation, encryption, compression, and formatting, so that data sent from one system can be received and understood by another system regarding the internal data. The We can say the presentation layer is one of the second layer in the OS layer. It is used between the different systems, and the data can be transferred and compressed so so that the data from the one layer to another layer can be transferred, and the data can be understood by the another layer. Third layer, session layer. The session layer is one of the 7 layers in the OSA. That is, this is session layer is the third one in the OSA format. Its primary role is to establish, manage, and terminate communication between two devices. And a session is a logical connection and conversation between two systems. A session layer ensures that data exchange between them occurs smoothly. Here, this says that the role of the session layer is to establish and manage and terminate communication between the two devices, so that establishment between the communication can be transfer of data easily. Here, the data exchange between them occurs smoothly by this format. Here, transport layer. The role of the transport layer is providing end-to-end from top to bottom. The data is from top to bottom. The data is From the top to bottom, the data and the communication between the two systems can be the system can be done end-to-end communication without any interaction or interface and efficiently without any errors. Next, network layer. The network is the fifth most layer in the OSI, and it is responsible for routing and forwarding data packets between different network layers and complex inter and such as global. It is primarily concerned with the global address. The the main role of the network layer is to forward the data packets between the two different layers and devices in a complex network such as in the global internet. Next, let us see the next layer is data link layer. The data link layer is the sixth most OSI layer, and it plays a crucial role in the transmission of the data between directly connected devices on local system segment. The data link layer is responsible for addressing and error detection, the efficient and reliable transmission of data frames between devices. This is useful for the error detection and addressing of the data addressing. Next, this is the lower layer of the OSI, and it is used for physical aspects of the data transfer over a physical medium such as electrical signals and voltage and actual hardware systems. Thank you.